Hi dear customers, this is Cathy from Guangzhou QLQ company. Today I'd like to introduce one new Easter nylon zipper for you. Why we say this is the new Easter nylon zipper? Because the zipper with the elastic tape. So you can see. Okay, so this zipper with the nylon monofilament chain, and this one with the metal teeth. So you can see. Okay, elastic zipper tape. What's the function? The function is you can use this zipper for some bag, such as the suitcase, trolley bag, or the climbing bag, or some tents, which must bear the strong tension. See, very strong. We also have the plastic zipper with the elastic zipper tape, but I didn't bring it to here because it's so heavy, so I didn't bring so much. If you are interested for subject as this zipper, you are welcome to contact us. You can see the lining situation also is very smooth. So we are here. Wait for you. Wait for your visiting. Thank you.